Question number 40. In the diagram, P, Q, R, and S are points on the circle with center O. Angle QRS with the angle at R is 5x degrees. And angle QOS with the angle at O is 6x plus 24 degrees. We're asked to find the value of angle QPS with the angle at point P. So this is the required angle. Now to get this angle is angle at the circumference, and we can relate that with the angle at the center. We know that angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. That means this angle here, I want you to note again, before you relate them, you must ensure that they are facing the same direction. This can work with this. Angle at the center, we have two angles at the center. This angle and this other angle. So you look at the direction. They must be facing the same direction. Angle at P is facing the same direction as this angle. So we can use that and say angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. But before we can do that, this is an algebraic expression. So we need to get the value of x. And to get the value of x, we use this other angle here, 5x, and we relate it with this outer angle. It's still the same angle at center, twice angle at the circumference. Where you can see that we can relate these two angles because they are facing the same direction. This angle and this angle are facing the same direction, and we can get this angle. So angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. Now what's angle at the center here? You know this is angle at a point, so it's going to be 360 minus what we have here to get this angle. What do we have? 6x plus 24. That's angle at the center. Is twice angle at the circumference. The angle at the circumference is 5x, so we multiply it by 2. 2 times 5x. I hope you are following. Angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference, provided they are coming from the same arc, 1, and provided that they are facing the same direction. Now let us open this. 360 minus 6x, now negative times positive, negative 24, equal to 2 times 5x, that gives 10x. Then we collect the like terms. We have 360 minus 24. That will give us 336 equal to, now 10x, when negative 6x crosses to the other side becomes positive 6x. So 10x plus 6x gives 16x. We can go ahead to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 16 over 16 over 16. And 16 can go into 336 21 times. So we have the value of x as what? 21. So we can get the value of this angle here. So we have 6x plus 24. Anywhere we find x, we replace with 21. So 6 multiplied by 21 plus 24. When we multiply 6 by 21, we have 126 plus 24. And 126 plus 24 will give us 150. So this angle here is 150 degrees. Now we can relate this angle and the required angle. You can see they are facing the same direction. Don't forget. If this is your eye, it's as if it's looking at this direction, and this one is also looking at this direction. Don't relate this one and this. No, they are looking at each other. Relate this and this. So angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference, and angle at the center is 150. So 150 is 2 times the angle at the circumference. That's 2. Let us call this angle P, 2p. Then to get P, we divide both sides by 2. Then P will be equal to 150 divided by 2, 75. 75 degrees. 75 degrees. So therefore, we can say the angle QPS equal to 75 degrees. See you in the next one.